Chapter 3 Fundamental Operations. We have already learned how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the numbers. In this chapter, we shall learn the above basic operations on large numbers. First, addition. Adding 7, 8, and 9 digit numbers without carryover. See example 1. Add this number ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 43 lakh, 1,521, and then this number and write the sum in words. So first what to do? We have to arrange the digits in columns and start adding from the ones. So first write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now write the numbers. Okay. Now the first thing is add the ones. Step 1, adding ones. 4, 1 and 1. This is 6. Now add tens. 2 plus 2. That is 4. Now add 100 digit. 5 plus 4. 9. Then add 1,000. 1, 1 and 2. That is 4. Now 10,000, this is 0, this is 2, this is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. Then lakh, 3 plus 3 plus 2, that is 8. Now 10 lakh, 4, 1 and 2, that is 7. Then crore, 2 plus 5, that is 7. And then 10 crore, only 4. So this is as it is. So now addends, the numbers to be added are called addends, and sum. The result of addition is called the sum. You know very well. So now next, the sum in words is 47 crore. This is 47 crore 78 lakh 54,946. So we have to write in words. Now come to next, adding 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers with carryover. See example 2, find the sum of this and this 3 numbers and also write in words. So now first arrange the numbers in columns and then start adding from ones. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Write the numbers. Now start adding from ones. Add ones digit, what we are getting? 8, 3, 11 and 4, 15. So write 5 here and 1 carry to the tens column. Now add tens digit 5, 5, 10 and 2, 12 and 1, 13. 3 here, 1 carry to the 100 column. Now add 100 digit 6, 8 and 6, 14 and 6, 20 and 1, 21. 1 here, 2 carry to the 1000 column. Now add these 1000 digit 4 and 2, 6 and 2, 8 and 2, 10, 0 here and 1 carry to the 10,000. Now add 10,000 digit 4, 2, 6 and 1, 7 and 1, 8. Now add lakh digit 6, 3, 9 and 2, 11. So 1 here, 1 carry to the 10 lakh. Now add 10 lakh digit 6, 2, 8 and 3, 11 and 1, 12. 2 here and 1 carry to the crore. Now add crore digit 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10. 0 here and 1 carry to the 10 crore. So 4 and 1, this is 5. So what we are getting? 50 crore, 21 lakh, 80,000, 135. So write in words. So now example 3. Find the sum 1, 2, 3 numbers and write it in words. So same, arrange like this and then just add ones, tens, 100. So we are getting this one. This is 99 crore, 40 lakh, 38,090. So I hope this is very much clear to you. Very simple. Now come to exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Add the following. Write the number sentence and the sum in words. So here like B part. So first arrange the numbers ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now write the digit 5, 6, 8, 3, 7, 8, 4, 5. Now write this one 8, 3, 4, 7, 7, 4, 5, 3. So now add the ones digit. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 6 plus 3, 9 and 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 7, 3, 10 and 1, 11. 1 here, 1 carry. 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15. 5 here, 1 carry. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13. 3 here, 1 carry. 4 and 5, 9 and 1, 10. 0 here, 1 carry. Now this is 9. So what we are getting? 9 crore 3 lakh 51,303, right? So similarly, you can try remaining parts. Same second question, then third question, add the following and write in words. Now numbers have been given in words. So first change into numerals and then add it. Now we are talking about word problems on addition. Example 1. A factory manufactured this number toys in 2010 and this toys in 2011 and this number in 2012. How many toys were manufactured in 3 years? So total, it means first write number of toys manufactured in 2010, then in 2011, then in 2012. Now arrange the digits: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Write the numbers. Now add these numbers. So add ones. 8 plus 1, 9, then add 10, 6 plus 8, 14 and 5, 19, 9 here, 1 carry to the 100 column. Now 1, 2, 2, this is 5. Now add 1000, 6 and 2, 8 and 2, 10, 0 here, 1 carry to the 10,000, 8 and 1, 9 and 3, 12, 2 here and 1 carry to the lakh. Now 4, 3, 7 and 1, 8 and 7, 15, 5 here, 1 carry to the 10 lakh. Now 6, 3, 9 and 1, 10 and 2, 12. So this is 1 crore 25 lakh 20,599, right? So now the next is example 2. The difference between the two numbers is given. If the smaller number is this, then find the greater number. So how we can find the greater number? Greater number is their sum. तो इन दोनों numbers को हम add कर देंगे. First arrange the digits according to the places, then now add it. So this is the greater number. Now come to exercise 3.2, question number 1. There are this men, this number women and this number children in a city. What is the total population? तो हम इन तीनों को add कर देंगे. Now the second one, Parinita distributes this number of chocolates and this pens among poor children. So what is the total number of chocolates and pens she distributed? So you can try this one also. Similarly, there are some questions. You can try these sums. Now we are talking about subtraction. Fun facts. Minuend, a large number from which other number is subtracted is called minuend, and the subtrahend, the number subtracted from larger number is called subtrahend, and the difference, the result of subtraction is called the difference. Now subtracting 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers without borrowing. See example 1, subtract this number from this number. So first arrange the given numbers in columns as minuend first and below its subtrahend, and now start subtracting from one's column. So start 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, 5 minus 3, 2, 8 minus 6, 2. So brain booster subtraction focus on understanding the concept of taking away one number from another to find the difference. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the result is the number itself, right? Now example 2, subtract this from this. So first write this number, then minus this number, arrange the digits according to their places. Now start subtraction. 8 minus 1, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 3, 1, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 3 is 3, and 9 minus 0, nothing, that is 9 only. I hope This is very much clear to you. Now we are talking about subtracting 7, 8 and 9 digit numbers with borrowing. So see example 3, find the difference between this and this. So first arrange the given numbers in column and start subtracting from ones as shown. So first write according to their places. So now this number, find the difference between this and this. This is larger, so this is a minuend and this is a subtrahend. तो हम subtraction करेंगे. So see the ones digit 4 minus 9 not possible because 4 is smaller than 9. तो हम borrow करेंगे 10 से. This is 7, so this becomes 6 and this is now 14. So 14 minus 9, this is 5. Now 6 minus 8 not possible, borrow करेंगे 100 digit से. This is 6, so now this becomes 16 and this becomes 5. So 16 minus 8, this is 8. Now come to 100 digit, 5 minus 6 not possible, borrow करेंगे 1000 digit से. This is 2, so now this becomes 15 and this is 1 now. 15 minus 6, this is 9. Now 1 minus 4 not possible, तो borrow करेंगे 10,000 से. This becomes 11 and this becomes 2. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now 2 minus 7 not possible, borrow करेंगे lakh digit से. This is 6, it becomes 5 and this is now 12. 12 minus 7, this is 5. Now 5 minus 8 not possible, borrow करेंगे 10 lakh से. This becomes 15 and this is 3 only. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is the answer. Okay. So I hope this is very much clear to you. This is the difference. Now come to exercise 3.3. Subtract the following. First question. Now B part. See how to do. Start from ones digit. 6 minus 1, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. Very simple. Okay. Now here E part. 2 minus 9 not possible. Borrow करेंगे 12. This becomes 3. 12 minus 9, 3. Now 3 minus 6 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. This becomes 13. This becomes 1. 13 minus 6, 7. Now 1 minus 2 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. This becomes 8 and this is 11. 11 minus 2, 9. 8 minus 8, now 0. Now 6 minus 7 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. This becomes 16. This is 7. Now 16 minus 7, 9. Now 7 minus 9 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. This becomes 2 and this is 17. 17 minus 9, this is 8. Now 2 minus 6 not possible. Borrow करेंगे. This becomes 5 and this is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Now 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is the answer. So very simple, do the practice. Okay. Now come to next word problems on subtraction. Example 1. A factory produced this much packets of ghee in 2010. After 2 years, the production became this much. Find the increase in production. Kitna increase hua, right? So what to do? Number of packets of ghee produced in 2010 and after 2 years, number of packets of ghee this much. So kitna jada increase hua means we have to find out the difference. So this is bigger number, this minus this. So first arrange the numbers according to their places. So now what to do? Do the subtraction. So see the ones digit, 0 minus 5 not possible. So what to do? Borrow करेंगे 10 से, but this is already 0. So what to do? We are taking from 9. Okay. So this becomes 10. Now this is 10. So now first arrange the numbers according to the places. So write it and then write this number. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 5 not possible. तो यहाँ से borrow करेंगे, but this is already 0. This is already 0. This is already 0. 0, 0. So from here we have to take it. So this is becoming 8. Now this is 10. So now this is 9. This is 10. 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 Now this is 9, this is 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. And 8 minus 4, that is 4. So this much increase in production. Okay, very good sum. Now example 2, the sum of two numbers is given, and if one of the number is given, find the other number. So how we can find the other number? So sum minus this one number. Now arrange the numbers according to their places. Now find the difference. This is the answer, right? Now brain booster subtraction has three key properties: the identity property, the property of subtracting a number from itself, and the property of the order of numbers. Now brain booster subtraction has three key properties: the identity property, the property of subtracting a number from itself, and the property of order of numbers. Now exercise 3.4. First question, the difference between two numbers is given. If the greater number is this, then find the smaller number. So how we can find the smaller number? This greater number minus difference, that is the smaller number. The second one, the price of a building is rupees this and price of a shop at shopping complex is this. So which cost more and by how much? So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is 6 and this is 8. It means this is greater. So the price of building is more, and kitna zyada hai means we have to do comparison, and whenever we do comparison then we have to do subtraction. So from this we have to subtract this number. So I hope you can try the remaining parts. Now come to multiplication, brain booster. Multiplicand, the number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand, and the multiplier, the number by which we multiply, is called the multiplier, and product, the result of multiplication, is called product. Now properties of multiplication. Order property, the product of two numbers doesn't change even when the order of the numbers is changed. Like 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are is also 6. So we can multiply in any way, answer would be same. So 25 into 26 equals to 26 multiplied by 25. Answer is same. Now the next is grouping property. The product of three numbers doesn't change even when the grouping of numbers is changed. ऐसे अगर हम 3 numbers ले लें और we are multiplying last 2 numbers and then first number, or what we are doing, first 2 numbers then last number, so the answer would be same. Now multiplicative property of 1, the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. अगर हम किसी भी number को 1 से multiply करेंगे then it is the number only, so that's why 1 is the multiplicative identity. Means 1 से multiply करने पर number is not changing its identity, right? So the next is multiplicative property of 0. If we multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. The product of any number and 0 is 0. The next is distributive property of multiplication over addition. See, 22 multiply 100 plus 15. So how we can do it? We can do like this, 22 into 115. And if we are doing 22 into 100 plus 22 into 15, the answer is same. It means we are distributing 22 over 100 and then 15. That's why this is the distributive property. Now multiplication of a number by 10. To multiply a given number by 10, we write 0 in ones place and multiply the remaining number by 1. Very simple, like 36 into 10. 36 ones are 36. Last में 0. 421 into 10. So 421 and last में 0. Very simple. Now multiplication of a number by 100. To multiply a given number by 100, move the digits 2 places to the left and write 2 zeros at the end. 19 into 100. 19 into 1 is 19 and last में 2 zeros. 523 into 100, so 523, and last में 2 zeros, right? Very simple. Now multiplication of a number by 1000. To multiply a given number by 1000, move the digits 3 places to the left and write 3 zeros at the end, like 26 into 1000, 26 into 1, 26, and last में 3 zeros, right? Now multiplication of a number by the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000, etc. So see here, multiplication of a number by the multiples of 10, 100 and 1000. The following example will make the concepts more clear. See example 1, find the products. A power 243 multiply by 20. So what to do? Simply we can break it into like 20. How we can write? 2 into 10. अब इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड लास्ट में 0. दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ बी पार्ट 1293 मल्टीप्लाई 700. सो 700 को हाउ वी कैन राइट? 7 मल्टीप्लाई 100. सो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड लास्ट में 2 zeros, राइट? नाउ सी पार्ट 265 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3000. सो व्हाट टू डू? 265 into 3 into 1000. इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड लास्ट में 3 zeros, राइट? नाउ एग्जाम्पल 2, फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट्स यूजिंग ग्रुपिंग प्रॉपर्टी. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड वेरी इजी. सी ए पार्ट 4 मल्टीप्लाई 129 into 25. तो ऐसे ग्रुपिंग करें सो दैट वी आर गेटिंग मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10, 100 और 1000 लाइक दिस. So here 4 into 25, you know this is 100. So we are grouping these two numbers and the second number we can write like this. Now 100 into 129, this is the answer. Now B part 8 multiply this number multiply 125. We know 8 and 125 in दोनों की multiplication is 1000. So 1000 into this number. So this is the answer, right? So very simple. Now exercise 3.5. Question number 1. Filling the blanks. A part 134 into dash equals to 245 into 134. So what will you get? 245. Now B part here 6213 multiply 270 equals to dash multiply 6213. So second number, okay. Now see this D part, this number multiply dash equal to 0, so multiply by 0. Now F part dash into this equal to 0, so 0, okay. Now see G part 27 into 121 plus 23, so 27 into 121 plus 27 into 23, right? Now H part here 119 multiply 100 plus 17, so 119 into 100 plus 119 into 17, distributive property. Now the second one, write the product without actually multiplying. So like E part here 2530 multiply by 1000. So what to do? This number as it is and 3 zeros more. Okay, now third, find the products. B part this into 300. तो इन दोनों numbers को multiply कर देंगे 1978 into 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21 plus 2 23, 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So 5934 and last में 2 zeros, okay. So remaining parts you can try. The fourth one, find the products using suitable grouping property. So how to do this? C part 3 multiply 782 into 40. So take 3 into 40, this is 120 into 782. Now what to do? इन दोनों को multiply कर देंगे and last में 0. Now multiplication of large numbers. We have already learned the multiplication of 3 and 4 digit numbers by 2 and 3 digit numbers in class 4. Now we shall learn to multiply the larger numbers in this chapter. Let us see the following examples to make the concept clear. Example 1. Multiply 3486 by 378. The first method by multiplication by expanding the multiplier. तो हम क्या करेंगे, 378 को break कर देंगे, 300 plus 70 plus 8. Now we can write like this, like in distributive property. So same here, 3486 into 300 plus 3486 into 70 plus this number into 8. Now multiply and then add the results. Now second method, short method, arrange the numbers like this, the bigger number and here smaller number. So start from ones digit, first multiply by 8, we are getting this. Now multiply by 70, so 1 0 here, multiply by 7. Now multiply by 300, so 2 zeros here and multiply by 3. Now add these 3 rows, so this is the answer. Okay, now example 2, multiply 4739 by 2467. So be very careful. First multiply ones digit, 7 9s are 63, 3 here, 6 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 6 27, 7 here, 2 carry, 7 7s are 49 plus 2 51, 1 here, 5 carry, 7 4s are 28 plus 5 33. Now multiply by 60, so write here 0, then multiply by 6, we are getting this. Now multiply by 400, write 2 0, then multiply by 4. Now multiply by 2000, now write here 3 0, then multiply by 2. So now add these, so this is the answer. So I hope this concept is very much clear to you. Now exercise 3.6, question number 1, find the products. See here, like B part, 4857 multiply by 98. So first multiply by ones digit, 8 7s are 56, 8 5s are 40 plus 5 45, 8 8s are 64 plus 4 68, 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. Now multiply by tens digit 9, so here 0, 9 7s are 63, 3 here 6 carry, 9 5s are 45 plus 6 51, 1 here 5 carry, 9 8s are 72 plus 5 77, 7 here 7 carry, 9 4s are 36 plus 7 43. So now add it. So this is the answer. Okay, similarly you can try remaining parts, do the practice. Okay, now one brain booster, multiplication, focus on understanding the concept using multiplication tables and applying it to larger numbers. If you know the tables, then it would be easier. Okay, now multiply the following. Second question, you can try this one also. Now we are talking about word problems on multiplication. Example 1, the cost of a DVD player is rupees 4788. Find the cost of 396 DVD player. It would be more. More के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? Multiply. So cost of a DVD player, cost of 396 DVD players, इन दोनों को multiply. So this is the answer. Now example 2, 6487 glasses can be packed in one carton. So how many glasses can be packed in 2348 such cartons? So it means more के लिए multiply. So number of glasses in one carton is 6487 and number of glasses in this cartons multiply. So we can multiply these two numbers. So this is the answer, right? I hope this is clear to you. So now come to exercise 3.7. The first one, there are 4387 sugar bags in a godown. How many sugar bags are there in 278 such godowns? It means more. So what to do? Multiply 4387 by 278. Okay. Similarly, third question, a box contains 6396 pens. How many pens are there in this such boxes? So multiply So I hope remaining parts you can try on your own. Now here one is lattice multiplication. So lattice multiplication is a method of multiplying two-digit numbers using a grid. The whole procedure is equivalent to regular long multiplication, but the advantage is that this method breaks the process of multiplication into smaller steps. So let us learn the lattice multiplication of a three-digit multiplicand and a three-digit multiplier. So see example, multiply 416 by 564. So what to do, since the multiplicand and the multiplier are three-digit number, we draw a 3 into 3 square grid and divide each of the 9 sub-squares with an oblique line. So what will you take? You will take a square like this. 3 into 3 means total 9 sub-squares here. So write here 416 and here 564. So you can try this one. This is very interesting. Now come to next exercise 3.8, question number 1. Multiply the following, like here B part, 60 multiplied by 500. So what are you getting? 6 into 5, this is 30 and 3 zeros more. Okay. Now similarly F part, 60 into 5 into 20. So what to do? We can do grouping. 5 into 20 is 100. So 60 into 100. So this is 6,000. Okay. So similarly we can try remaining parts. Now come to next, division, brain booster, dividend. You know the number to be divided is called the dividend, and divisor, the number by which division is made, is called the divisor, and the quotient, the number of times the divisor is contained in the dividend, is called the quotient, and the remainder after subtracting the product of the divisor and the quotient from the dividend, we get the remainder. So dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So now we are talking about division of large numbers. We already know about the concept how to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. The steps to divide a large number by 2 or 3-digit number are same as we have learnt in class 4. So see some examples. Example 1, like divide this number by 42. So here the first digit is 4. Single digit we can't take it because the divisor is 2-digit number. So start with the 2 digit. 47. So now revise the table of 42. 42 ones are 42. So here 42 minus kar denge. We are getting 5 here. Take the next digit. This is 6. 56. Now 42 ones are 42. Right here. Now minus kar denge. 1 as quotient. Now this is 14. Take the next digit. This becomes 148. Now 42 threes are 126. 3 here, 126 here, minus karenge. We are getting 22. Now take the next digit 0. Now 42 fives are 210. Okay, minus kar denge. This is 10 only. Take the next digit 105. Now 42 twos are 84. Now this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So you can check your answer. How? डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 21 ऐड करेंगे, we are getting the same dividend. It means our correction, our division is right. Now division by a 3-digit divisor. See example, divide this number by 368. So because this is 368 3-digit number, so we have to take 3-digit first. 624. This is greater than 368, so we can divide it. So now recall the table of 368. So now what you do? 368 ones are. Okay, then minus kar denge. Then take the next digit. Now this number. Now 368 6 are. This number minus kar denge. Take the next digit. Now 368 9s are. This number minus kar denge. This one. Now take the next digit. So now 368 7s are. So this is the remainder. Now verification. डिविडेंड इक्वल्स टू डिवाइजर इंटू क्वोशिएंट प्लस रिमाइंडर, तो इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और रिमाइंडर ऐड करेंगे, वी आर गेटिंग द same dividend. Now brain booster dividing by a 3-digit divisor has similar steps as for 2-digit or 1-digit divisor. Verification also follow the same pattern. Now division by 10, 100 and 1000, very simple. Example 1, 2890 pencils were to be packed in 10 boxes. How many pencils will be there in each box? So what to do? Divide this one by 10. So how we can write? Divide this number, 0 0 cancel, so 289. The 0 in the division divides the 0 in the dividend. Now example 2, divide this number by 100. So there are 2 zeros in the divisor. The digit at the tens place and ones place become the remainder, and the rest of the digits will form the quotient. So 50 is the remainder and 136 is the quotient. This is the shortcut. Okay, see now example 3, divide this number by 1000. So last 3 digits means ones, tens and 100, they make remainder and the remaining digits form quotient. So 729 is the remainder and 489 is the quotient. Now properties of division: if we divide a number by 1, the quotient is the number itself, okay, and if we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1 only, and if we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is 0, and dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. Now example 2, divide this number by 252. So take the 3 digit of dividend. So now recall the table of 252. So we are getting this quotient and this is the remainder. We can check dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So we are getting the same dividend. It means this is correct. Now brain booster. Division is the process of breaking a number up into equal parts and finding out how many equal parts can be made. For example, dividing 15 by 3 means splitting 15 into 3 equal groups of 5. Now question number 3, find the following. A part, dividend is given, quotient is missing, divisor is given 224 and remainder is missing. So divide this number by 224. Okay, similarly you can try these two parts. Now we are talking about word problems on division. Example 1, a carton can hold 224 pencils. How many cartons are required to pack such pencils? It means total number of cartons. So we know number of pencils that can be packed in one carton is this one, and number of cartons, how to do it? Total cartons divide by 224. So do the division. We are getting this number as the question. So number of cartons required to pack this pencils equal to this. Fun facts: a more formal method for dividing larger numbers involving a set of steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Now example 2, the cost of 162 television is rupees this. What is the cost of one television? It would be less means division. So total cost divided by 162, so we can divide it. So this is the answer, right? Now brain booster, a method for dividing smaller numbers often involving mental calculations and writing down steps. Now example 3, the product of two numbers is given. If one of the number is this, find the other number. So how we can find the other number? Other number is product divided by one number. So divided by 194. So the other number is 6985. Now fun facts. Division is breaking a number into equal parts or finding out how many equal groups can be made. Now exercise 3.9, like the second question, the cost of 267 washing machines is rupees this. What is the cost of one washing machine? So divide this total cost by 267. Similarly, we can try remaining question. Now come to multiple choice question, MCQ. Take the correct answer. The first one, this plus 0. So you can find out. The second, this number minus 0. So this number only. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times 9. This is the answer, right? Now the third one, this into 100. So this number 3250 and 20. So this is the answer. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now there is one math lab activity, very interesting. You can try this one. Now this is the same as we have done lattice multiplication. So you can try this one like 325, 456. So we have made here 9 subsquares. So now oblique lines we are drawing here. So 3 4s are 12. Then 3 5s are 15. Then 3 6s are 18. Now 2 4s are 8. So 0 8. 2 5s are 10. 1 0. 2 6 are 12, 1 and 2. Now 5 4s are 2 0 20, 5 5s are 25 and 5 6 are 30. So now how to write the answer? So this 0 as it is. Now add these 5, 3 and 2, 10. So 0 here, 1 carry to the next here. So 8, 1 and 2, 8, 9 and 2, 11 and 1 carry, 12. So 2 here and 1 carry to the next. So 1, 5, 1, 8, 2 and 1. This is 18. So 8 here. So 1 carry to the next. This is 4 and this 1 as it is. So this is the answer. So this is the lattice multiplication as we have done earlier. I hope this is clear now. So now enhance your learning. Multiply you can do, divide also. So there are some questions you can try these one and MCQs also, and filling the blanks. And now there is NEP, life skills and values. So you can try such type of questions and case study, very good question, and quotes. So I hope the concept is very much clear to you.